to Always Alyssa. Hey everybody, welcome back to Always Alyssa. I have some amazing news to tell you guys. This is so exciting. So, I am going to go into the DMV to get my driver's permit. I am so excited because about 6 months after I get my permit, I can get my license, which I've been working on for a while now because I had to take this super long learner's course. It took me 30 hours of just sitting at the computer within weeks at a time. So it took me a long time, but I finally finished it. So now we're filling out a bunch of paperwork and we're gonna go to the DMV and take my picture and all that good stuff so I can get my permit. The learner's course that I had to take was really long. I mean, I did not think it was gonna be that long. I thought it was gonna be way shorter because I've never done this before. I was like, oh, this is gonna be easy, probably not that many questions or whatever, but it was 30 or more lessons. And they took a really long time because in each lesson there was at least 100 slides, and you had to slide through each one and wait for the 30 seconds and then press to the next slide. It took a long time. But like I said, I finished it, so that's good. Now I'm just gonna brush my hair, and I'll probably bring my hairbrush with me just to make sure it looks good for my picture because I'm always worried about my hair looking good. Okay, I have my bag with my stuff that I need, which includes a hairbrush because like I said, I'm probably gonna need to brush my hair there, but I'm getting in the car. I'm excited.
Now serving G224 at window number 5. Now serving Now serving B19.
So it turns out that I failed the test, but only by one question. And it was a really weird question, how many inches of cargo can you have on the side of your car? And the answers were 12 inches, 6 inches, or none. So I put 6 because that's in between, I didn't really know. But apparently it was 0, so that's what made me fail the test. So now I have to retake it in 7 days. Hey everyone, it is 1 week later and I'm back so I can take the driver's test again, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna pass this time, so I'm not too worried. But yeah, here we go. So I'm back in the car again. We spent at least an hour at the DMV, and I started taking the test, but it wouldn't actually let me start. It kept saying end session. I'm that's weird. So I kept going up to the window and asking them, and apparently you have to come in 8 days after you fail the first test, not 7, which they first had told us 7, which if you count out, we went on a Thursday, and if you count after Thursday from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, that's 7. But apparently it's 8 and they didn't tell us that. So now we're gonna go back again tomorrow for our 3rd trip. Okay, so I'm back. I just went to the DMV and I did the test again and I passed. I finally passed. I am so excited. So I think the reason that I failed a few times before I passed is because I didn't study as much. And this time I studied a bunch, even in the car, right before I was going in. I read almost the whole driver's handbook and watched a bunch of YouTube videos about it. So I think that really helped me pass, and I'll be able to drive pretty soon after this.